Foot smash, lacrosse ball. The lacrosse ball foot smash is one of those painful but enjoyable exercises. In foot reflexology, massaging the feet works on an energetic level to restore balance to the entire body. I'm not sure the lacrosse ball foot smash delivers the same energetic results, but it does release tension in the feet, reduce plantar fasciitis pain, and increase posterior chain flexibility. It's an easy and effective movement to perform, and all you need is a hard ball. Place the ball on the floor and stand on it with one foot. The more pressure you apply, the deeper the massage will be. Slowly roll the ball back and forth along the arch of your foot and under the knuckles of the toes. It's best not to roll over the heel of the foot, as this can crush connective tissues and lead to bruising. Spending 30 to 60 seconds on each side is a reasonable amount of time to release the tension and reap the rewards. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.